Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something interesting about single leading underscores in Python. Okay. So what is single leading underscore in Python? First of all, Python has allowed us to use a special symbol called underscore. Except underscore, if you use at the rate or dollar, it will result in syntax error. We know, right? So here there are two things. One is single leading underscore and single trailing underscore. What is single leading underscore? Single leading underscore means if any variable starts with underscore, then we can call it as a single leading underscore. So this is one variable which starts with underscore. So this is a single leading underscore. Okay. Now, what is single trailing underscore? If a variable ends with underscore, then we can call it as a single trailing underscore. Got it? So this is a single leading underscore variable and this is a single trailing underscore variable. Now we'll try to concentrate on single leading underscore variable here. Okay. See, now I am going to write some code in pytrix.py module. Okay, this is the current module where I am writing the code. Let's understand. See, a equals 10, b equals 20, c equals 30. Okay. Now I am taking a normal variable var equals okay jax leading underscore var equals technologies. Okay. So this is var equals jax leading underscore variable I have taken. This is technologies. Now try printing all these variables in a current pytrix.python file. Okay. Print a comma b comma c. Okay, look at here. So print a comma b comma c var leading underscore var. If I print this, look at here 10, 20, 30 JAX technologies. Okay, I can successfully use this particular leading underscore variable in the current pytrix.py file. Okay, and what I do, I'll try accessing all the variables by importing pytrix.py in sample module. Okay, this is the other module. Okay, this is the other module. Now, from pytrix import star. So I have used wildcard star so that I can import all the variables whatever declared in pytrix.py. Now look at here. I am going to print a. Okay. So if I run this, see that 10 got printed. Correct. So 10 successfully I can access from this module to this module. Okay. So print. I am able to print a. Now let's try with b. Print b. B is also printed. Now try with c. 30. Now you try with var. Okay, this is the normal variable. Okay, now run. See jax. Okay, now if I want to access the leading underscore variable from pytrix module to sample py by importing this, now you tell me, am I able to print technologies here or not? Let's try. It will throw an error which is a name error. Okay, now look at here. Name error. Underscore var is not defined. Did you mean var? See, we have used wildcard to import everything from Pytrix module. Okay, but still we are getting the name error. I am not able to access this leading underscore variable in other file. Okay, which means the leading underscore variables will be used only for internal use. Okay, so if you define leading underscore variable in one module, you are allowed to use access this particular leading underscore variable in the current module. If you try accessing the leading underscore variable in other module by importing the pytrix module, it cannot be accessed. Now, still, if I want to access this, what I have to do? What you have to do, instead of using wildcard, you just import the direct variable. From Pytrix, import direct variable. From this particular module, you are importing underscore var. Okay. Now look at here. If you try printing now, it will be printed. Technologies. Got it? So this is one thing. Okay. Now, what about the functions? What about functions? We'll be having a lot of functions, right? So if I use any function which starts with leading underscore, will I be able to access this that function here or not? That we'll see. Okay. Now, see, I am defining a function def external func. See, I have created a function. Okay. Now I am returning Jax here. I'll create other function with leading underscore. Okay. So, okay, I have defined other function which returns technologies. One returns Jax and other returns technologies. So this is the single leading underscore function what I have defined. Let's try printing this here. Okay. X equals. Now try printing that. If you run this, look at here, Jax technologies. If you want to print side by side, what you have to do, you can take a keyboard in. Okay. But our intention is to check whether am I able to access single leading underscore functions within this particular module or not. Okay. Let's comment this. Now, now go to other module from pytrix import star. Now I am trying to access a1 equals external function print a1. Now run this. Now look at here. I am able to access this function from pytrix module to sample module. I am able to print Jax. Correct? Now let's try accessing this function. Okay. Now what we'll get? Will we get technologies here or we have to get name error? Try this. Look at here. The Jax is printed, but name error. Name internal function is not defined. Did you mean external function? Okay. So again, the leading underscore. If you use leading underscore while define functions also, you will not be able to access these leading underscore functions outside of this particular module. Okay. Now, if you want to access this particular, if you want to access this one, what you have to do? Just give this internal function here. Instead of using code, you just give it here. Now run it. It will print Jax technologies. Okay. Got it? So this is how we can use. Okay. Guys, I have a question here. I have a question. See, I will import Pytrix. From Pytrix, I'll import the wildcard, which means I wanted to access everything from Pytrix module, but still I wanted to access leading underscore functions, but still I wanted to access this leading underscore functions, what I have to do. Okay. See, what we do here, we need to take these things in class. Okay. I just take class test. Okay. Inside class, what I do, I'll take three different methods. Inside class, what I do, I take three different methods. One is the constructor method. Okay. One is the constructor method I'll take. Okay. Now here I'll take underscore variable one. Okay. Now let's take this inside the class. This also you just take inside the class. Okay. Now look at here. Now this is the class. In this class, I have taken three methods. Okay. One is the constructor method, other one is external function, third one is internal function. Okay. Now what I have to do, see, I can access all these things within this particular module. Okay. Now look at here. So I just wanted to create an instance of this particular class. Okay. So I will be assigning it to a variable t equals to test instance. Okay. Now you try accessing this. Okay. Now let's try printing this. Yeah, sorry, here I have to give self, right? Now see, I got Jax Technologies. Okay, I got Jax Technologies. Got it? Now, if you try accessing same in other module, what we will get? We'll see. Import Pytrix, import star. T equals to instance I have created for this class. Okay, I have assigned to a reference variable. Okay, now let's comment this and try with this first. Okay, now run this. See, Jax got printed. Now I just want to print p dot internal function also. Let's try this. Jax Technologies. Now I am able to access leading underscore functions also in other module, because this leading underscore function I have defined as a method in the class, which is why I am able to access. So after importing this particular module, what we are doing, we are creating the instance of the class here. Because of that, all the methods, whatever is there within the class, everything can be accessed in the other module. Got it? So this is how we can do with single leading underscores. Okay. So if you want to define any variable or any function, if you don't want to access this function outside of the module, then you can use leading underscore variables and leading underscore functions. Got it? This is how we can do with single leading underscores in Python. Okay. Guys, next I'll come up with other things. Okay. Until then, take care.